Okay, so in this video we will going to learn one of the methods to add negative keywords. So what are negative keywords? Basically, whenever you run any ads in the Google ad campaign, then your ad is being shown for different search terms. Like whenever people make searches related to your ad, then your uh, ad start appearing in the Google searches. But sometimes what happens is that you do not want your ad to appear for certain searches. For example, if I am selling a shirt and it's a men shirt for men, but the keyword for which my ad is appearing is shirts for women, so I don't want my ad to appear for uh, those particular search terms. So what I'll do is I'll put women as a negative keyword. So the main question is that, like, how you can find these negative keywords so that you do not overspend your budget for while running the Google paid ad campaigns. Okay, so here when you will go to the Google Ads dashboard, then here on the left hand side panel there are different options, and there are two options here. One is the negative keywords and second is search terms. So negative keywords I have opened in the other tab. This is the negative keywords tab, and this one is for the search term. So whenever we run any ad campaign, then for those, for Google start showing us all those search terms for which our ads are appearing, right? So currently my ad has appeared for these all these search terms. Okay, so now my main thing is that, like, I am noticing here that there are certain search terms for which I don't want my ads to be shown, because I have people have seen my ad and also clicked on that, and since I am running a pay per click campaign, I don't want to pay for that click, because naturally a person looking for irrelevant search term, when they will land on my landing page or on my website, they will not going to buy from me, right? So I don't want that, and in order to avoid that, what I'll do is, this campaign has been is running for around 2 weeks now, and we have gathered enough data. So now what I'll do is I'll go through each of the search terms, and I'll try to see that which particular search term is odd, and I'll add negative keywords accordingly. Okay, so firstly, whenever you go to the search term, then by default it will show you around 10 results, but you'll have to make a selection of around 500 rows you can select at a time, so that you can see all the search terms at once, rather than going through the different pages. Okay, and after that, what you can do is you can sort this particular data in terms of impression. I think impression would be good, because it will show you that for which particular search term your ad is visible. It is gaining more impressions, or it is seen more often. So here I'm selling silicone shoe covers, and this is perfect. The keyword is perfect. I want to show my search term for it, my ad for it, shoe cover. Okay, now I don't want my ad to be shown for shoe cover slippers, because it's not related to my product. So what I'll do is I have added slipper as an exact keyword. Now again, it should be exact match type, and there are different keyword match types, so you need to study. There are three match types: broad match, exact match, and phrase match. So while choosing the negative keyword, we what we'll do is we'll uh, mention the negative keyword uh, as a phrase match. Okay, so I have used the phrase match. Phrase match means that any word adjoining this particular query will not my ad will not be shown for that. For example, any word, for example, any keyword which contains pro for that particular search term, my ad will not be visible. Okay, so just to make things easier for you, Okay, so I have added slipper. So from now onwards, if any query will be done using the word slipper, my ad will not be visible because I'm not gaining any particular clicks also for that, right? Shoe cover is okay. Shoe covers is okay. Shoe covers is shoes cover is okay. Waterproof shoe cover okay. Shoe guards, boot covers, overshoes, reusable shoe covers, shoe protectors okay. Rubber shoe cover okay. Rubber shoe covers okay. Shoe cover Amazon okay. So here I have used I can see that people are searching for shoe covers on Amazon, and for that also 5 times my ad is being shown, and out of that I have paid for 2 clicks, which is irrelevant. So what I'll do is I have added the Amazon as a negative keyword here. Okay, and negative keywords should be added to the campaign level. There are different levels like campaign level, ad group level, ad level. So what we'll do is we'll add the negative keywords at the campaign level. Okay, and then next is for kids. Okay, again I have added the kids keyword also because we don't want to show our ads for kids related queries. Okay, rubber overshoes. Okay, it can go men overshoes. Okay, shoe cover for rain, waterproof. Now this is not, I mean, Latibel. Okay, so let me search for it. What is Latibel shoe cover? Because I don't want, I don't know exactly. I mean, what is this query Latibel? Okay, so Latibel seems to be another brand, and actually we don't want our ads to be visible for it. So what we'll do is we will again add this as a negative keyword. Firstly select the campaign. Here I can select the campaign level. Okay, now here I can add the negative keyword. Okay, and I need to add it as a phrase match, so I'll use the inverted commas here. Okay, Pro Shoes Pro I have already covered in the negative keyword list. Walmart, we don't want to show Walmart. I think we have already covered Walmart. Walmart, okay, we haven't covered it. So Walmart, let's add Walmart also. Okay, Pro Shoe Cover. Okay, non-slip is okay. Water resistant protector. Shoe cover Menards. Okay, now what is this Menards? Let's search for it. Menards. Okay, again, this is a different company, and we don't want to show our ad for this particular keyword. Okay, so we'll add the Menard keyword. Okay, now the next is our shoe range, shoe cover, slip cover. Okay, 2 pair waterproof shoe. Okay, all slides cover shoes. I'm not sure all sites cover shoes. Okay, dirty shoe cover for the home. Very strange. Healthcare. Okay, we don't want it. So healthcare, I think I have not included. Okay, so let's include the word healthcare. Okay, Lovis. Now I'm not sure why they are using the Lovis. Okay, so I have added, I mean, based on my research, I have added a lot of negative keywords, right? So this way, I mean, this is one of the ways by which you can find negative keywords, and you can add to them to the list, and I mean, you can also tell Google that I don't want to show my ads for any search terms related to these particular keywords. So I hope the point is clear right now, and in case of any doubts, feel free to let me know. Thank you.